Hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. As always, I'm recording locally and streaming. Let me check out the stream really quickly, if it's working properly. Twitch service. I think it's live, but yep, I just needed to poke it a bit. Anyway, so yeah, once again we are back in Garuda Mokka Linux. Let me show you the terminal. Zoom in and then zoom in a lot. And yeah, so here it is. You can pause the stream or later on the YouTube video. It's Garuda Linux. Linux kernel is 7.0.13 something something. FIS cell, KDE plasma is 671, Wayland of course, and then the CPU is AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX, GPU is also AMD Radeon RX 6800M, system has 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of SD storage space. Pay attention, the screen resolution is full 4K 3840 by 2160 at 120 Hz. And as you will soon see in my OBS settings, it's like 30 FPS. So let's go to the OBS settings. Here we are. Full 4K resolution, 30 FPS. I'm using hardware encoders for the audio and the video. The audio is FMPEG AAC and for the video is FMPEG VAPI H.264, 16,000 bitrate, and the file is MKV for the recording. Anyway, as I was trying to say in the past few times, I'm trying to customize the system. I have to make a small correction regarding the customization. I'm still using, since yesterday, my own panel and dock. I just changed a little thing, a little detail. The system came default with a setting that puts the menus up here, and I was wondering if you can have, when you maximize the window, if you can have the buttons here to not have the menu move left and right. Actually, it's quite simple that you can accomplish through the KDE Plasma, the default settings actually. I could be wrong about this, but it has to be the default settings. Anyway, so I'll restore the window and still, you see, the space is just like that and the menu stays in that place. Brilliant. So I thought this is better. So let's try this one. The other problem that we'll have, but maybe I will see how well I can adapt with it, is if the apps, not all apps are compatible with this menu up here in the panel, but maybe most of the apps that I'm used are fine with it, so I will see how it goes and maybe I will keep it this way. Maybe if one or two apps are the exception, no problem. But otherwise I like this one because it doesn't move when you maximize the window, it doesn't move the menu, so my muscle memory can be like snappy. And also, contrary to the default settings of the Mokka fixes, it was KDE Plasma or something like that, the look. I inserted my theme's own buttons up here. So, good. Yeah, good. I like it. So I will keep it for now. And then for today, also I'm trying, I said in the past that I have been seeing, when I have plenty of apps at the same time on screen, I have like some windows try to overlap with each other, and it's like jarring, and it's like things are glitching, so to speak. it's something that I don't see myself happening, but I see it on the recording and the streaming for sure. So I say to myself, I have to locate what's the problem, and 100% it's either mouse styler, Kwin script, or remember window positions, or both. So today actually I have enabled only the mouse styler. So here I have only the mouse styler enabled. The other days I didn't have any of these scripts installed or set up. So everything was well and fine, both with the recording and the stream. So today this is an experiment as well for me. And for example, this is what mouse styler does. Boom, just like that. The window is over there. I'm opening my terminal. I move around. Boom, the terminal goes right there, like that there. And then I can click if I want to fix this window here. I can click here and boom. So it's a tiling solution based on the mouse and the movement of the mouse cursor. I love it. I like it. It gives me superpowers. I love it, as I said. And yeah, let's see how well it will react with the recording and the stream. Anyway, with these things out of the way, as promised, I have my wallpaper set once again. It works flawlessly. So here is the status. I'm at image 255, and now we'll just move a little bit forward, like okay, 255, like 260. Now it went to, okay, boom, 260, just like that instantly. And now we'll jump backwards, 255, boom, just like that. So that's working perfectly. And also I have managed just fine with the Cursor Factory as well. So maybe you have noticed already, I have my own version of Mokka Catppuccin mauve. So here it is. I have also created a few more cursor sets. This is my own cursor set. This is another one, Swedish Breeze. So let's create a couple more today together and see how it works. Both the wallpaper jumper and the Cursor Factory, you can work through the terminal or through the keyboard shortcuts. Here we are. It asks you where is your Breeze source factory folder. I have downloaded now. If you haven't downloaded, you just click cancel or X and download it. The script downloads it for you. So I'll just select it this time, and then you have to just enter a name here. I will go with magenta black, for example, another one that I like a lot, magenta black. So yeah, and then you have to select the color. I'm going with a bright magenta for the body of the cursor, and then for the outline, the black. It takes a few moments, even in this few years old machine. It takes a few seconds. It's very fast, and very soon I will have available the new cursor set. Done. And I just have to go on the system settings, and then go to the pointers, and boom, here it is, magenta black. Here it is. So just like that, I have my own cursors. This is something that I enjoy doing a lot. And let's do now a black magenta, the reverse. I'll select again the folder. So black for the body, then bright magenta, purple for the outline. Again, few seconds. You can do this while doing anything really, having apps loaded, no problem, it works just fine. And then you go here in the system settings again, pointers, and boom, here it is. And you can select the various sizes for it. I've done it for, I think 24 to 96 is quite sensible for you know, screens as they are full HD or up to 8K. I think it's safe to have these sizes with a cursor set. So here we are, black magenta. So everything went according to the plan. More things are coming. So I'm glad for this menu up here. Let's try a few more apps, because I will just open the apps that I have on my dock. For example, GIMP doesn't put the menu up there clearly, it's in here. And then I will try volume control. Yeah, it's here. Basically this doesn't have a menu actually, right? So they are here, just tabs. This one works just fine. What about system monitor? This doesn't have menu as well, right? No, it has. Okay, I misremember this one. Terminal, fine. This one doesn't have a menu. I think, yeah, it has this one. Nice. Nice. Vivaldi doesn't have, GIMP doesn't have, Kdenlive. Let's see. No? Oh yeah, it has, okay. I misclick on the desktop. How about Tenacity then? Let's see Tenacity. This app for some reason always, yeah, the menu's here. Yeah, okay. How about if I maximize it? Yeah, still. Okay, okay, no problem. So there are plenty of apps that are doing this. Okay. Good to know, I guess. Not you, just hide. Anyway, as you can see, everything goes according to the plan. I don't want to drag this any longer. I'll just switch back to my mauve. Where do I click? Why do I click these things? Okay, let's go back here. Nice. So yeah, this was it for today. It's quite hot here. I'm almost naked right now. It's insane. So much hot. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye.